Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I am Ranjita and today I am here to reveal the teaser of upcoming luxurious segmented project of Assets, that is Assets codename Micropolis, which is located bang on Harloor main road and that is near HSR Kudlu Gate, Bengaluru. In this teaser, we will be telling you about the project overview, location, amenity, flat area, booking process, launch discounts and offers, and many more. Talking about the project overview of this luxurious segmented project of Assets, that is Assets codename Micropolis, will be constructed in 10 acres of land parcel, which consists of 580 premium homes designed for modern living and configured as 2 basement, ground 23 or 24 floors each. And this particular project of Assets is a perfect balance of urban sophistication with nature serenity. Talking about the location of this project, like I said you before, it is located on Harloor main road, which is near HSR Kudlu Gate, Bengaluru, and you can have a look at the neighborhood of this project. I'm right at the property where this Assets codename Micropolis will be built. And talking about the connectivities to this project, it is just 3.5 km from the outer ring road and 2 km drive for BTM layout, and the upcoming metro station, that is Hosa Road, is also very nearby to this project. And with this property, you will be well connected to the major infrastructure, business zones, and lifestyle avenues effortlessly. Talking about the amenities, this has to offer you many luxurious amenities, which includes 65,000 square feet clubhouse designed for recreation, fitness, and social gatherings. And also, it consists of 20,000 square feet of retail space, which is very apt for your shopping. And also it offers you swimming pool, yoga decks, play zones, kids play area, and many more. Talking about the area, the expression of interest, that is EOI, is already open, and we offer a range of elegant homes which includes 3 BHK 3T, that is 1600 to 1700 square feet, starting at 2.10 crore, 3.5 BHK variant, which is ranging between 2200 square feet to 2300 square feet, starting at 2.70 crore, and 3.5 BHK Lux, that is ranging from 2500 square feet to 2600 square feet, starting at 3.10 crore, 4.5 BHK variant ranging from 3,300 square feet to 3,400 square feet, starting at 4 crores. Configured as 2 basement, ground plus 23 or 24 floors each, like I said you before, and it's a very spacious apartment. Talking about the booking process, we are currently accepting expression of interest, that is EOI, exclusively for our channel partners. Here's what you can expect: early access to premium units, exclusive pre-launching pricing, special offers and incentives, personalized site visits and assistance, and exclusive channel partner benefits include: as a channel partner, you will enjoy access to limited premium inventory, best pricing before the public launch, exclusive sales tools and marketing support, attractive commissions and incentive plans. Don't miss out. Secure your pre-booking slot now and get the best units at the best prices. Stay tuned for more updates, and people who are interested in this project can click on the link mentioned in the description box below and schedule your free site visit. And thank you for visiting Housey, and do not forget to subscribe to Housey for more details and project updates.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.